Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining to you guys what eBay Sniper does.
All
So
right, yeah.
eBay Sniper is a AI-powered
I can't hear
dropshipping
you
tool.
for some reason. Hold on.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're good. Go ahead, go ahead. Sorry.
Okay, so one more time, eBay Sniper is an AI-powered dropshipping tool, and what it does is its main features. Let me just pull up my presentation slide just so you're gonna have a very clear understanding behind it right away. So let me go ahead and open up. Okay, so eBay Sniper, this is my presentation screen. We're gonna go over what it does, and then you'll have a very clear understanding. So the introduction to eBay Sniper, the features that we have that differentiate us from every other dropshipping tool that exists is it has an AI-powered title builder. So what that means is, before back in the day, what you would do is you would optimize the title, you would find the right keywords that are made to sell, right? And now, with all of that data, we train the machine learning algorithm that goes ahead and creates these titles for you. So what that means is you don't need any more VAs. You don't need any more like to spend your time and thinking about the perfect title because the perfect titles are being built for you. The second thing that eBay Sniper does is image optimization, right? It collages images and we use like a lot of data to create the perfect hero image. And a hero image is an image that displays more than just the product. It does SEO optimization, and the way this SEO optimization works in eBay Sniper is it fills out the item specifics automatically. And what this really means is if, like, for example, if the color is blue for the item on Amazon, right, but it's not set in the item specifics on Amazon, the eBay Sniper is able to tell that this product is blue and it'll fill it out on the item specifics on eBay automatically. So, and it's very effortless. That means that, there is no API setup. You download the software and you can use it right away for any account. So no more API keys. It's a straight Chrome extension. So let's go to the next slide. So the key benefits, again, instantly you get to make professional titles, pictures made to sell. It ranks your
Sam,
product to the highest.
Sam, just show them.
Okay.
Show them at work.
Yeah, yeah. This is the next part. We're gonna go to the live demo. So here we go. We found. Let's go ahead and search like a random word, right? And I had this word up. So let's go ahead and open up any item, and then we have a button over here that says Snipe Title. Right? We can zoom in just for everyone who's on mobile. If we click this button, Snipe Title, you can see at the top that it's saying that's creating the perfect title. And once it's done creating the perfect title, it's going to be displayed over here. So right now, this is the title that Amazon shows. Chic, sensitive care, women's razor refills, pack of 4. And now the perfect title. Razor refills, 5 blades, hyperallergenic shea butter serum, shower ready. This title was created ready to sell. So what do we do now? We go ahead, we change the title, and then we have 2 features. We just press turbo listing, and it's going to go ahead and list the item automatically on eBay. And then over here, you have your optimized images. This image over here was made to sell, right? It shows bestseller, limited edition. It collages it. And now let's go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison of the Amazon image, which every other software has. This is our image. Much more beautiful, much more eye-catchy, ready to sell. So you can see the difference. So now this is how it works live in action. It's a Chrome extension, right? So if you hover over, it's uploading the images and it's uploading the title, and then it's gonna do the item specifics right after. And then you can just wait for it to finish. But yeah, and then one last thing it does is it reinvents the description entirely. So what that means is it makes a description that's easily scannable. You know, somebody can read it, and you're gonna see it in just a second once the item posts, and we can talk about the description right after. But yeah, you can jump in now. You can watch the item specifics being filled in automatically after this.
It's being filled in right now. Ah, yeah. Yeah, there's been filled in.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, so it's going ahead. It's uploading the images. Again, beautiful images, right? You have your perfectly optimized title, and then in just a second, it's gonna start filling in these details over here automatically. So you can see it's thinking about what the type is. If you go on Amazon, there's no section that says type over here, right? There's nothing here. So how is this? Before a VA had to go ahead and fill it in, now the software can go fill in these fields automatically. Let's give it a second, and then it's gonna post it, and then it's gonna show the optimized description as well.
And Junior, you could do multiple listings at a time, huh? So like,
Yeah, of course. It's very precise. I don't know. It's like, wow.
Yeah,
yeah,
you can see the perfect description.
you see, it's filling in everything.
But it's worse if you sell, you get a sell, or are you already trying for?
So Sam, sure, Juliet, he's been using.
See all of these features, these are all filled up with automatically that, like these are things that they couldn't think about by themselves. So yeah, let's go ahead and show some of my sales, and then you can see them.
Okay.
So right over here, this is a good sale we got, $142, right? Let's go up and open the item, and you can see all these features are filled in. We have a beautiful description, right? Features and benefits. This was made in a way that it was optimized to sell, because let's go ahead and find the actual item on Amazon, and then you'll see for yourself, yeah? It actually makes, like, really, in the end of the day, this is a marketing tool more than a dropshipping tool. Because the reason why I created it to the beginning was because, like, you see, this is $94 right here. This is the original title, right? And this is our title. Heavy duty scissors lift jack. And this is the Amazon title. And over here, this is the Amazon title, description, and this is ours. It's way more advanced, and it's designed in a way that, because the way the way customers, they buy something, right? They go ahead and they scan. They don't read, they scan. So what happened was we made the description in a way where it's scannable. And then we made it even better. So what happens is, like, Amazon usually only puts the features. We decided to go ahead and write the benefits. And these features are not the same features as Amazon. It goes ahead and finds the deeper meaning inside the product, finds other use cases, and it shows the buyer what it is. In some cases, the item completely gets rebranded for a better purpose than it has. For example, let's go ahead and say you're selling iron, right? And now the software would go ahead and say it's a dumbbell. Do you get what I'm saying? It rebrands the image. The item.
Right.
Remarkets it,
it's
repurposes
using
it.
It's using the framework from all these like language models to rewrite the description, right?
Exactly. So it's using large language models to go ahead and read it, but it's not as simple as that, because it's going through a series of multiple prompts, right? I'm a prompt engineer, so that means that I work with these large language models, and I work with this black box technology to go ahead and put in some data and and have it spit out like this perfect data. So the prompts that I wrote took me like 6 months of nonstop testing to make it work. Because if somebody goes ahead and tries to code it to make a title, they're not going to be able to do it, not in any time short.
Yeah,
because,
I know. Because
there's a lot of processing that goes through this. The reason why it took so long to even generate the title is because it was thinking. Like, it goes through multiple prompts, one after the other, to make sure it fits within the 80 character limit. So these titles are optimized for eBay. And we can make it optimized for every other platform in the future.
But Junior, so you get an idea so the item list, it changes the images, it does the description, and there's
specifics.
Item specifics and everything. And we're gonna start selling it like
yeah, I get it.
So it's just
and it works.
And so you can show the sales some.
Yeah. So this is one of my accounts, and then you can see like our sales over here. And then I have like another 4 or 5 accounts, and everything that I sell, I mark it up by 50%. So let's go ahead and.
Now you don't have to go through all your. I have the sales from a crazy engineer.
No.
Everything is a
Like that.
markup of 50%, by the way. So this is not
No,
like
because look, Sam, both Juliet and Jimmy were in the office when we were doing all the done for you and all the shit, you know. Like they noticed, like,
All manual. That shit all manual.
yes.
oh, okay, yeah. No, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah,
So
no,
this is like cool as fuck.
it does everything automatically. The pictures are perfect. You can over here. This is like this is one of my professional images that I had done, right? So you can go ahead and put in any image you want. So let's say I go on Google and I want to put like a USA flag. Say this flag over here. Let's go ahead and put in my software, save the image. And now if you go on Amazon, let's go ahead and type in any word.
A man's mountain bike.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's go ahead and do that. Man's mountain bike. All right, let's wait for the title. Perfect collaged images. This is the original.
You see,
right?
Juliet?
Makes a hero image. You know, when somebody sees this in the search results, for example, let's go ahead and copy
It's
image
much
address.
different than the others on eBay.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and show you an example how it would look. Man's mountain bike.
Yeah, so the image would be much, yeah.
Yeah, let me show you from there. So very eye-catchy, right from the very description. When somebody sees the image, they see bestseller right away. They see it's a collage, a lot more information than just any other one. So I've had people message me that say that they think that I'm the actual manufacturer of the product because of how high quality the listing becomes. Yeah, it's not a joke. And let's go ahead and snipe the title and then we can see that. By the way, it uses credits, so this is the credit system. So as soon as I press snipe title, it became 97, and then 96, 95, all the way down to 0. So let's wait for this to create the perfect title. Men's rugged hardtail mountain bike. Double shock absorption, 21 stage shift. See, look at this title. This is not, it's not easy to read. This one makes it readable. And then you can list it. I'm not going to list this because it's not in stock, but.
Yeah.
So
Juliet, so that's Juliet and Jimmy. So that's what this is the software that Sammy and I will be like I posted it for the first time on the 15th of May, but
how much do you sell?